Hi. The majority of investors think Bitcoin will reach $10,000 before reaching $30,000. If you agree, follow these steps to use options to back up your claims. Keep watching. 3 ways to short Bitcoin. There are numerous strategies to bet against Bitcoin, each with benefits and drawbacks of their own. People are making trades using exchanges, like FTX or Ledger Live. However, this direct method comes at a price because the order execution is difficult and usually expensive on these types of exchanges due to their low liquidity. Another workable but extremely risky way to short cryptocurrencies is to create high leverage positions on Bitcoin using exchange margin like KuCoin. Even institutional investors run the risk of having all of their holdings liquidated by a single upward spike in an asset class, when the track record of high volatility is present. Even if these quick Bitcoin strategies are effective, there is a superior method. We need to look no farther than institutional option transactions to find negative Bitcoin tactics. How institutions and hedge funds use options to short Bitcoin. When institutional traders want to turn bearish on Bitcoin, they have a preferred weapon. On the relatively new proshares Bitcoin strategy ETF, bito, put options are available. Just 1 month before Bitcoin reached its record high in November, proshares Bitcoin futures ETF bito began trading. It has dropped 69.2% from its introductory price of $41.23, much to the delight of bears. See how one Bitcoin bear actively managed their bito put options to make significant profits on the ETF when it dropped more than 50%. This trader bet $1.57 million that Get proshares Bitcoin Strategy ETF report would decline under $25 beginning in February when it was trading at $26.65. The trader increased his or her bet to a total cost of $2.912 million within 2 weeks by rolling those March $25 puts to April $21 puts, earning a more than 50% gain on the original contracts. Were they done? Absolutely not. They purchased a new batch of bito puts in June for more than $318,000, at a cost of 42 cents to 43 cents per put. The original $318,000 wager was valued at a peak of $2.1675 million today when the puts traded as high as $2.89, or over 7 times the deal amount. Any earlier trades in bearish Bitcoin option contracts are not even taken into account by this value. Despite all the profit they have already made and the ITM expiration of their June options, they have continued to trade, most recently engaging in additional bito puts on July. The bottom line: how can you make bearish bets on Bitcoin? Although there are several ways to get short exposure on Bitcoin, using long put options on bito is the best and most widely used strategy. And if you want to give your trade an extra edge, think about using Market Rebellion's unusual option activity service to track institutional trades. You may imitate the trades and risk management techniques of massive traders like the Bitcoin bear in the example by keeping an eye on the institutional option order flow. That's it for today. See you in the next video.